Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about perfect infinitive. And perfect infinitive is a kind of structure that is definitely strange for some students, but it is quite necessary and you might have seen it in newspapers and news. But today we are going to talk about it. So basically, what is perfect infinitive? Perfect infinitive is a verb form which is used to indicate a completed action before the time of the main verb. I think you are not getting the point. Don't worry, just wait a minute, you will understand it. Basically, perfect infinitive is not something strange, but it is a kind of infinitive which is used in a sentence to show a completed action. The structure of a perfect infinitive is to have plus past participle. I know that still you, to some extent, you are not getting the point. But just look at this example, so then you will understand it. The example is, he seems to have won the lottery. Here in this example, to have won is a perfect infinitive structure and it shows a completed action. Simply, it means that he seems that he has won the lottery. Right? And another example is, I am glad to have finished my work on time. Again, in this example, to have finished is a perfect infinitive and it shows a completed activity. Basically, in this example, there are two activities. One is gladness of the subject I, and the second is the completion of work. But let me ask you a question. Which one activity is completed first? Definitely the answer is the completion of the work. So it means that I am glad that I have completed my work on time. Right? Are you getting the point or not? So that I have completed my work on time, for it we have used the perfect infinitive. So this is perfect infinitive. Another example is, she was proud to have graduated from a university. Here to have graduated is again a perfect infinitive, which shows the completion of action. Why is she proud? Therefore, she is proud because she has graduated from a university. Well, if you want to make a negative perfect infinitive, so how can you make it? Well, so don't worry, let me also show that. So you should just put not before to have plus past participle. So then negative perfect infinitive will be created. For example, he regretted not to have studied harder for the exam. Here, not to have studied is a perfect infinitive but a negative structure. It means that he regretted that he did not study harder for the exam, right? So whenever you want to just make a negative of it, so you have to just put not before to have, right? A plus past participle. Another example is, they were sorry not to have visited their relatives. Here, not to have visited is again a perfect infinitive but in negative form. It means that they were sorry that they did not visit their relatives, right? So if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.